Do you want to know how people are using AI to make money with affiliate marketing? Stay with me to the end, because today I will show you step by step how you can use AI tools to earn passive income promoting products online. Imagine waking up and seeing your phone flooded with commission alerts. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for niches that are trending globally. Just ask, what are the most profitable affiliate marketing niches right now? Write down the ideas it gives you. Step 2. Find affiliate programs for your chosen niche. Search on Google for affiliate programs or sign up for big platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. Pick products that solve real problems and have high commissions. Step 3. Create powerful content to promote those products. Here's where AI becomes your best assistant. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to write blog posts, product reviews, and email copy. You can also use Synthesia or Pictory to create AI-generated videos to promote products without showing your face. Step 4. Design eye-catching images and thumbnails using Canva AI or Midjourney. Unique visuals will make people stop scrolling and click your links. Step 5. Drive traffic to your content. Share your posts and videos on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Ask ChatGPT to write catchy captions and hashtags for each post to increase visibility. Step 6. Optimize everything. Use Surfersio to improve your blog articles so they rank higher on Google and attract free organic traffic. Use AI analytics tools to check what is working best so you can double down on what brings you the most clicks and sales. Step 7. Automate your workflows. Use Zapier to connect your apps and schedule posts automatically. Set up ManyChat to answer people's questions instantly on your website or Facebook page, guiding them to your affiliate links. And comment below AI Hustle if you want me to share my secret prompts for affiliate marketing. If you are finding value so far, make sure to like this video, subscribe to AI Smart Hustles. Let's continue. Step 8. Always include powerful calls to action in your content. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do next. For example, click the link in the description to learn more about this product or sign up using my affiliate link for a special bonus. Finally, here's the most important secret. Keep learning and testing. AI is changing daily. The more you practice, the better your results will become. If you want more guides on how to make money online with AI tools, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from AI Smart Hustles. Thank you for watching.